In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect VGA monitor to set-top box. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, in order for you to establish this connection, you will most likely need the right adapter because set-top boxes usually don't have a VGA port natively available. What you will need to do this is an HDMI to VGA adapter. By using the adapter, you can establish a connection between the monitor and the set-top box. So look for HDMI to VGA adapter. You can find these on places like Amazon, and you will plug one end of the adapter, the HDMI end, into the set-top box, and the other end will give you access to a VGA port that can be used to establish a connection. So now grab a standard VGA cable, plug one end of the cable into the set-top box, or rather the adapter connected to the set-top box, and the other one will go into the monitor. There is no secret to this. So in short, the only things that you will need are going to be a VGA cable and an adapter. The adapter will be connected to the set-top box and the VGA cable connected to the adapter, which is going to bridge the monitor and the box itself. Once you have this connection established, make sure that the monitor is receiving sufficient power, usually through an external power supply, and then power it on. Once you have the monitor powered on alongside the set-top box and it is receiving power, you will be good to go. So instead of connecting it directly, purchase the HDMI to VGA adapter and you will be able to get it done. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.